Hello, my name is Robert Dean Steele, and this is Real Living. My scripture today is Hebrews 11:1, which is the faith scripture, which basically says this, that faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. You know, I love this scripture because it talks about the fact that faith is that title deed, that substance of things which we hope for. Faith is the basis of hope. You see, if we lose hope, then basically what happens to us is we've lost our forward view of the future. So faith is that very title deed, that substance, that thing that we hold on to when we need hope. It's the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. God has all kinds of promises in His Word for us, all kinds of things that He will bring to our attention so that you and I can believe. But faith is that thing that holds on to it. We have evidence in our heart that God has everything under control. You might find yourself in a situation right now where things are looking kind of bleak and you don't know which way to turn and what to do. In that moment, you can take God at His word. You see, faith is that substance that you hold on to. That gives you hope. And it's the title deed or the evidence of things that are yet not seen. You see, there's a scripture that says in Isaiah 40:31, "They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall walk with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint." Basically, what Isaiah is saying is, listen, if things aren't happening right now, you need to keep on holding on to your faith. Say, God, I am going to trust you. I am going to believe what you're telling me right now because I have hope in what you've said. And the evidence is on the way. So folks, take that to heart today. My name is Robert Dean Steele. This is Real Living, and you have yourself a great day.